Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Membership Minute, SGIA's new series dedicated to bringing you the latest in association news. We all know how crucial color accuracy is when it comes to meeting the expectations of customers. But did you know that SGIA has a program to make sure that you understand the power of the right color with certifications that will prove to your customers that you are a color quality expert? In fact, SGIA has 2 degrees of color management certification: the Qualified Digital Color Professional Certification and the Certified Digital Color Professional Certification. The qualified level certifies that the recipient has passed a written exam demonstrating their knowledge of color management theory and process, while the certified level assures that the recipient has already achieved qualified status and has proven their abilities through a physical print test completed at their own facility and verified by the Sunoco Institute at Clemson University. These certifications are valid for 2 years. To get a jump start on the certification process, consider attending one of SGIA's color management boot camps, which covers all of the information that can be found on the written exam needed to achieve qualified status. To find a list of when and where you can find the next boot camp near you, head over to sgia.org/events. Taking the steps to better understand color theory and process and investing time in a color management certification will ultimately benefit your business. In a recent article from Wide Format Impressions, 6 Reasons for Certifying Your Color Management Professionals, it is made clear that not only will improved color management skills offer time savings because everything will be set up properly the first time, it will also help ensure that equipment is calibrated correctly, that there is set process in place and a target has been identified, and a certified color management professional will make sure that your final product is verified and accurate, which will definitely make customers happy. For more information on SGIA's color management certifications, visit sgia.org/programs/certifications/color-management. SGIA is an association built by and for the printing industry. To learn more about the benefits of becoming an SGIA member and how SGIA can help you grow your business, visit sgia.org or call 703-385-1335. The membership team is looking forward to hearing from you. See you next time.